Hey guys! In today's video, I will be talking about ways to make studying less boring. Obviously, this won't make studying your new favorite thing to do, but it can make it less dull. The first tip is to study in a new location to reduce the monotony of sitting in the same place every day. It can be a library, park, or a different place in your home. You can also study with your friends, which can motivate you to complete your work. It will also allow you to get help from others. If you are the type of person who really likes stationery, then you can use some of the items that you like during your study session. Depending on the type of work you're doing, listening to music can be a good idea. It can make studying less stressful and put you in a better mood. Reading from a textbook can be pretty boring, so you can try other methods of learning the same content to see what works best for you. There are websites such as YouTube and Quizlet where there is similar content and you can use that instead. These are some of the tips I have for making studying a bit more enjoyable. I hope you find them helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.